word problems. Here we're going to set up two equations, and you can either solve them by elimination method or substitution method. The first word problem: find two numbers whose sum a plus b is minus 7 and whose difference a minus b is 1. So you set your two equations up. A plus b equals a minus 7. A minus b equals a 1. These are set up pretty good for elimination because my b's, if I add them up, they're going to make a 0. So I'll use elimination on this. A plus a is 2a. A plus b minus a b is a 0b. And minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Divide by 2. I get a is a minus 3. And I still have to substitute this into either one equation to solve for the other variable. If I put it in the first equation said a plus b is a minus 7, but now a is a minus 3, so minus 3 plus b equals minus 7. Add 3 to both sides, and I get b is equal to a minus 4. So the two numbers are minus 3 and a minus 4. The second one. Admission to a park is $1.50 for kids and $4 for adults. 273 people attended. The park took in $772. How many children were there and how many adults? So here there's 273 people. So adults and children added together make 273 people. The park took in $772. So it's going to be $4 for adults plus $1.50 for kids, and that is going to equal $772. So for this particular problem, I think what I'll do is solve the top equation for C. So I subtract a from both sides, so I get C is 273 minus a. And I'm going to take that and substitute it in right there. So 4a plus 1.5 times 273 minus a equals 772. I'm going to distribute. So 4a plus, so 1.5 times 273 is 409.50. So 409.5 minus 1.5a equals 772. 4a minus 1.5a, that's going to give me 2.5a plus 409.5 equals 772. Subtract 409.5 from both sides. So I get 2.5a is equal to 362.5. Finally divide by 2.5 on both sides, and I get 145 adults. So there's 145 adults, and I go back up here and I put that in for children. So children are going to be 273 minus 145. So for children I get 128. So there's 128 children and 145 adults. The last one, you have dimes and quarters, a total of 27 coins. The value is 420 cents. How many dimes and how many quarters do you have? So you have dimes and quarters, a total of 27 coins. That's one equation. The second equation is the value. A dime is worth 10 cents. A quarter is worth 25 cents. And that is 420 cents, or $4.20. But since we're using 10 for dimes, they have the cents as cents, not dollars and cents. So here, let's do this one with elimination. Let's get rid of our d's. If I multiply the top equation by a negative 10, I get negative 10d minus 10 25q is equal to minus 270. Rewrite my second equation. 10d plus 25q equals 420. Minus 10d plus the 10d makes a 0d. Minus 10q plus 25q is 15q. And I'm going to do 420, take away 270. That gives me 150. Divide both sides by 15. And looks like I have 10 quarters. 150 divided by 15 gives me 10. Then I go back up into the first equation where it said d plus q is 27. So I'm going to put the 10 there. So d plus 10 is 27. Subtract 10. And I get dimes are 17. So there's 10 quarters and 17 dimes.